All right, good morning, everyone. Happy Easter. We are going to run this Khalil Mack Championship ticket to 49. I already came down here and copied and pasted the list right over here in the verified random. Thank you for the fill. Thank you for the fast payments. And we are live. Current time of 10 a.m., 10 a.m., 10 a.m., and 10 a.m. on the laptop. We are in aces, so we got to go 8 times. We have Kurt, Mike, Jesse, Mike, Seth, Joe, Jesse, Seth, and Kurt for the last. 8 times as always. Good luck, everybody. We have Jesse after 1. Kurt. We have Mike after 3. Jesse after 4. Jesse after 5. Seth after 6. After 7, we have Jesse on top. Current time is still 10 a.m., 10 a.m., and 10 a.m. on the laptop. Last and final, good luck. Jesse in the 8th spot. DVLQBT is the verification code. And we are done. Current time of 10:01, 10:01, 10:01, and 10:01. Congratulations, Jesse. Sorry to everyone else.